Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how to achieve this simple, no effort hairstyle for kids but still pretty. First I start with a clean hair. I spray this hair growth water I made with fresh rosemary, ginger and cloves. So I boil them in a pot and then I sieve the water into my spray bottle and preserve it in my fridge. So then I part my baby's hair into a straight line from ear to ear at the back, and then that part at the back I section them into smaller portions, hold it down with elastic bands, those small elastic bands, and twist to the end. After twisting, then I go to the next one. I keep going till the full head is complete. Just watch while I go. And here, as you go, I want to remind you that I wasn't aiming for perfection as I made her hair. I just wanted her to have a good looking hairdo. So as you're making yours too, you can choose any part of your choice. You don't have to follow what I'm doing. You can choose to do circles, you can choose squares or anything you like. Just freestyle like I did. And it's ended up looking very good. So enjoy. And for the front, I tied with the hairband. Afterwards, I used this tool to pull the hair to the front because I wanted it to lay flat on her face. This is not a necessary procedure. You can easily skip it and tie the regular way, the way I did at the back. This was just for my own satisfaction. Yeah. Now that I'm done with twisting her hair, I will add accessories. First, I hold each twist with these multicolored mini hairbands that I got from my local beauty supply store. When I have it on all her twists, I then go on to bead the end of her hair with this beader, this plastic beader that I got online, and I secure it with small elastic bands. I like beads for kids, it's just so pretty. And now we're done with this hairstyle. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Bye bye.